The new content editor in CMS 5 includes a great new feature to allow you to create page layouts. It's called templates. In this screencast, we're going to walk through creating a page all about guitars. To do so, we could start off just by typing in content into our content editor, but instead we're going to use the templates feature to create a layout for us. To get started, we'll just click the templates icon in the toolbar. This will allow us to select the template that best meets our needs. In this case, I'm going to choose a single column with an image. Since our page is all about guitars, I'm going to go ahead and add an image of a guitar. We'll start by selecting the placeholder image and then choose the image icon in the toolbar. Right now there's a placeholder image in here for us, but we're going to browse the server to choose an image from our file manager. I already have an image uploaded, so I'll search for it, select it in the file manager, and then choose Insert this image. That'll replace our placeholder, so I'll just click OK. Now we have our image. The next thing to do is add some text. The first section of our page will just be general information. I have some text prepared to drop in for the content. The bottom part of our template doesn't really apply to what we want, so we'll just go ahead and remove it. Now our page is starting to take shape, but we'd really like to talk a little bit about acoustic and electric guitars. A two-column layout seems like it'd be great for that section. To do so, I'll go ahead and click on the red Insert Paragraph icon, and again choose the templates icon. Now I have a template for a two-column equal layout, which is what I want, but I don't want to lose the work that I've already done. So I'm going to uncheck the box, Replace Actual Contents. This will make sure that the contents of the content editor don't get removed when I add my two-column layout. Now let's just go ahead and add some content for acoustic and electric guitars. Now that we have our acoustic and electric content, we might want to modify this layout just a little bit. Instead of equal widths for the left and the right sides, let's make the left side a little more narrow than the right. To do so, I'll just go ahead and right-click inside of my content and choose Edit Div. This will bring open an editor for the left-hand side's div container. Under the Advanced tab, there's a style attribute that tells us a little more of the technical information that's creating this layout. We don't need to know too much of the technical specifics. What we do need to do is just edit the width in percentages of the left side. Editing by 10% is probably the easiest thing to do. So let's go ahead and just change this to 37%. We'll click OK. Then on the right-hand side, we'll edit the div, go to Advanced, and change this to 57%. The important part to note is that we added to the right side the same amount that we took off of the left. This makes sure that between the widths of the columns and the margin between them, we still add up to 100%. From here, I can scroll down to the bottom, click Save, and now I can preview my page. That looks great. I was able to get my layout by simply choosing a couple templates, dropping in some content, replacing an image, and saving the page. That's the new templates feature in the content editor for CMS 5.